I lost $50,000 in crypto in 2020 because I transferred between one blockchain to another wrong, and it ended up costing me dearly. Now, the crypto that I ended up transferring back then, coincidentally, was only worth about $15,000, mooned up to $50,000 at the height of the bull market. However, I was really glad that my students didn't end up doing that because, however, I was really grateful for the lesson because I was able to take that lesson and teach it to my students as to how not to lose money in crypto. Back in 2020, there was no real and good instructions on DeFi, and I had to just go through things, lose money, touch buttons, and go through the experience in order to learn it. I was able to turn $15,000 into over $2 million. If you're interested in learning how you can participate in decentralized finance, DM me learn. You're not going to go from 15,000 to 2 million, but it will set you up for success by learning from some of my failures. Change your mind. See you on the next one.